a complete beginner looking to dive into the world of AI tools? This guide is for you. We'll cover everything from the basics of AI to some of the best AI tools available. No technical knowledge is required, just a willingness to learn and experiment with new tech. We start by exploring the different types of AI tools and